Dear 2021, I'm looking forward to seeing you, to experience you, and to enjoy you. I know 2020 has been insane. A roller coaster of a ride is an understatement. But there's always hope at the end of the tunnel. Out of all the madness that has happened in 2020, for everyone, not just myself, I always believe that things happen for a reason. Would that reason be for a grand cause? Or maybe it's to teach us to not take the simple things in life for granted. I've missed the magic of being able to experience life. The simple joys of feeling safe, meeting people, and enjoying what life has to offer in its fullest. But things are different now in 2020. Regardless, I'm still blessed to be able to wake up today. And I can't wait to see you. 2021.